construction trucks are on their way. Beep, beep, beep and rumble sound. Big machines are all around. Dig, lift, build so high under the sun and bright blue sky. Push and roll and carry too. Construction work is fun to do.
Look at the excavator, dig, 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 making holes that are really big. Up and down its arm will go, moving dirt nice and slow. It scoops the ground so deep and wide, helping builders work with pride.
Dump truck. Here comes the dump truck, strong and tall, carrying rocks and sand for all. Tip it up and watch it fall, building roads and bridges tall.
It rolls along the bumpy ground, making heavy loads go round.
Your builder!
Bulldozer pushes left and right, clearing the road so it's clean and bright.
Strong and steady, never slow, helping buildings start to grow.
Push the dirt away with might, making space for work just right.
Whip, 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 crane! High up in the air, the crane is lifting things with care.
Up it goes so tall and high,
Reaching almost to the sky. It swings the load so safe and slow. Where it goes we all will know. Dig, lift, build so high under the sun and bright blue sky. Push and roll and carry too. Construction work is fun to do.
roller to roller, big and round, flattening roads upon the ground.
Smooth and steady, strong and slow, making roads for cars to go.
Up and down it rolls along, working hard all day long.
Let's count trucks one by one. Learning numbers is so fun.
1 excavator, 2 dump trucks,
3 big